Welcome to another Vlogmas. Today we are going to the Dollar Tree because we are crafting tomorrow and we need supplies. And I'm with the crafting king over there. Yep. Bye. Let's go. Never mind. Never mind me. Open sesame.
Oh, the Dollar Tree right there.
Okay, we need a cart.
We need a cart.
Oops. Okay, so we're thinking about those poles. So we need the noodles.
Right.
Okay,
so the noodles were outside.
Mm-hmm.
We need those, and we need duct tape.
Okay. And do you have are those ornaments here too? Were you putting the clear ornaments on top of it, like to make it look like the North Pole pole?
Oh yeah, they have them here.
Okay.
If you want to and put the paint in it, those ones you're saying?
Yeah, or just to keep it clear to make it.
Yeah.
Put on
They
top.
have those. Because everybody once
it's
Dollar
here.
Tree puts things out,
It'd be
you have to grab it fast.
True, because it'd be gone. What are you looking for?
Like this now this year, which makes me super happy.
Oh, that's cute. I know, finally.
Right? They always go.
Mm-hmm. We finally got
Look
some.
at this. Look at
Oh, that's cute.
this. I'm coming.
Hey.
Let it
Cool
rain.
your jets. Okay, noodle. You said they're outside?
Yeah.
Too real to drink. Hey!
I got the phone noodle. Oh, girl.
You wanna hold at me?
Oh.
I wonder if these sponges are actually good.
I don't know. I've heard some good things about like Dollar Trees. Do it.
Yes, cheese, you do.
Alright,
Nice. Nice job, Evie.
If you need home decor
Ooh.
come to
For the
Dollar
Lolo.
25 stove. It's no longer Dollar Tree. It's
Oh my
$1.25.
God, we get. Let it go. She's so obsessed with the telling everybody that it's not a Dollar Tree anymore. It doesn't make a major difference. What
Everybody
else
don't move.
do we need?
I can't do it.
No, I can't do it either. I don't get how.
Wait.
Girl,
All right, you need
give
these.
her a moment.
Or do you want to do just white?
No, do both. Why not? Throw it in. Throw it in the bag. Oh, girl. It said no.
It said no, girl.
Okay, so this is not the Walmart carts.
No.
She's over it.
I was working out.
Oh wait, did you? Oh, I remember. These are the ones that you said.
Yeah, but the one I got,
And they are broken. Wait, they're glass or they?
no, it's plastic. Oh I got the only mustache right now, right? Tweeze it. And
She doesn't have a
it's
mustache.
bad. I got this new. What is it?
The 14 Pro.
I got this new 14 Pro Max, and it shows my mustache hair like to the max.
She doesn't have
That's
mustache.
why I didn't pick up the FaceTime call, because I saw the stash.
She's so dramatic. She's so dramatic. Shut up. Wait, that's not glass?
No,
It's plastic. Oh, okay, get you. Oh shit, put that shit back. This is why we don't go nowhere together.
they're gonna charge me a whole $1.25 for this.
Was it $1 before?
Yeah.
Okay. Emmy, do you want this? You want this? Okay. You want it? Yes?
$20 for 2.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh, you just picking up everything, child. I was saying the one.
Girl, don't pick up nothing. Don't pick up
Such a mom. You get nothing.
Mommy, listen. Mommy, girl.
Oh. Oh my god. That face. Give it. I'll buy it. Give me. I'll buy it. Give it to me.
Oh, I don't know.
I will buy it. Here, hand it over.
Say thank you.
I can't. I can't tell that face no. Okay. Ooh, the warmth. Okay. We got everything from the Dollar Tree. Okay. Oh, God. Look at it.
We did it.
Okay.
We went to the
Dollar Tree. And
$1.25.
oh my god, $1.20. I can't.
And then we
Okay.
saw some people inside today. We said hello. Hey. We did it.
I can't. Are we talking as like Blue's Clues? Boom. I mean, okay. In the child is that?
Oh, sh.
Okay.
Oh, sh.
All right.
Boom. Look at that car. That's my car. Hey, what?
And that's gonna end Vlogmas Day 10. Thanks for watching our chaotic trip to the Dollar Tree. We are going to use everything we got here and do some crafts tomorrow. So stay tuned. Bye.